Now I just gotta find all the nuts and bolts to throw this thing back together. Where'd I put them? Don't mind me while I find the bolts in front of my face. You know what that means. It's time for the final episode of this 3-part series of my other series I've been calling I Hate Working on Cars. We must now bid adieu to my masterful grocery paper bag job. I'll miss you, sweet Piggly Wiggly. Little double-sided tape here, couple screws there, throw on the fender, screw it down, put the door handle on, toss on the belt molding, then the mirror real quick, and tape up the old door molding and install some new door dents. I've got a few other parts that were damaged in the accident, but nothing I can't just plastic weld back together. Yep, you heard those 2 words together in the same sentence and it didn't make any damn sense, did it? Plastic and weld. Well, up here in hillbilly heaven, we weld plastic. Because why throw away otherwise perfectly good parts? You trying to kill the planet or something? This whole video is basically recycling a perfectly good car that most insurance companies would have just thrown away. Watch me simultaneously slap a bunch of parts on the car while I steal a video editing trick from Oprah. I'm going to upgrade this car now to LED headlight, turn signals, marker lamps, and fog lights, but it's just asking me to go one bridge too far to do that last step and do the high beams. So the high beams will remain halogen. Let's see how they look. LEDs are polarity sensitive, and I've got my polarity backwards on a couple of them. No big f***ing deal, just redo the work I just did and flip the connectors around. Looking good now. Let's steal from Oprah one more time as I throw more parts on the car. Even though there's 4 of me, I'm not 4 times faster. I can't figure out why. Give her one last thumbs up and let my wife figure it out if I did anything that's gonna get her killed. I want to thank y'all for sticking around long enough to finish watching me make an ass of myself for 3 whole videos. If you enjoyed yourself, hit the like and subscribe button so Google will know you like watching dumb shit old has-been car painters do stupid shit to perfectly good cars while you talk shit about them in Discord chat. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. I got a new truck. And oh boy, does it need a lot of videos made up about fixing it. So I'll see you next time. Bye!